Well, it seems like such a no-brainer for someone that's starting a business. It's a physical business where he goes out to a place to repair appliances.
Yep.
And I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, 99.9% of the people that own a home have a refrigerator and a washing machine and a dryer.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
And they're not going to go forever. And quite honestly, when they do go bad, some people don't want to go buy a new one. They can just look at it and go, oh my God, I just got to vacuum the dirt off the compressor. And some people don't know that. So they bring in someone like Paul and he just squeaks it out and vacuums it out and it's all better again.
Yep.
Well, for Paul's business, it's ideal for something like that, especially if you don't really have someone that you know in your networking group. It's obvious there's who are they going to call? They're going to call Home Depot and say, hey, can you fix this for me?
Yeah.
No, we don't do that. We want to sell you a new one.
Yeah. Well, yeah, you mentioned, who are you going to call? We have another guy in my networking group who he's an IT guy and he'll set up home networks. And he explained today, he was our 10-minute speaker.